see how to make a conveyor pulley. These are the parts of the pulley: drum, shaft, key, retainer ring, end disc, hub, everything. And we'll see the assembly also, how to make a assembly of the pulley, conveyor pulley. Okay, and we'll see the section. This the section looks, and this is the assembly looks. So we'll start with the front plane, top plane sketch, and select this slot and make a slot here and make a dimension. The slot length to be 58 mm and this radius to be 22 radius. Okay, this length we'll measure in the drawing, shaft drawing, and we'll change this radius to be 11 mm. Okay, so the diameter to be 22. Okay, we'll check here also. See, the radius is 11 mm, so we change it to 11 mm in the drawing, and this point to this point we got 58. Okay, length is 58 and radius is 11 mm. Okay, we'll exit the sketch, then we go to extrude and extrude for 14 mm thick. Our key is 14 mm thick. Okay, then specify the material to find the weight. So we'll add the weight material here. Material is C45. Okay, here it is C35, so we'll change to C35. Okay, okay, apply, close, then save this key, the same sequence. Okay, our key is ready now. If you want to change your appearance, you can change it. I'll make it into blue color, sky blue, and close it. This is the key, we made it. Save this and we start doing hub here. Front plane sketch, then make a circle and draw a circle and make a dimension here. Our hub is 150 dia. Then extrude this, change the direction. You have to extrude this far and go to features, and we have to extrude this for 50 mm. Okay, and select this face and sketch and make another circle and extrude, and this also make a dimension for 140 mm dia and go to extrude and merge result is okay, and we have to extrude this for 85 mm minus 50, so 35 mm. Our overall is to be 85. Okay, and select this face and sketch and make a circle. This is our shaft dia, so our shaft is to be 98 dia. Okay, our shaft is there 90 dia of our hub area, so we'll go to extrude cut this time and cut this for the through wall. So this is done. So we want to make a key slot here, so go to the rectangle, make it corner rectangle or center rectangle. Before that, make a center line and go to the center rectangle. So pick here and make a small rectangle there, and we'll dimension it this to be 22. We have 11 radius, so 22, and our height to be here 5 mm. Okay, so we'll go extrude cut, same thing, and through wall we'll cut for the through length. Okay, then go to chamfer. We need chamfer for 2 mm for 45. this area and this one. We'll chamfer for 2 mm here. In machining it will come directly, it will come for 2 mm. For the drawing purpose we need to show that one. So we will make a chamfer also there, and we will make a material carbon steel, so we can find the weight also here. Before that we will change the appearance. We will change this to some different color and make it in somewhat yellow color. Okay, then okay, accept this, then okay. And we need to make a hole there, so go to the hole wizard and select the tap hole, and this is and metric hole, and we need a hole for M10. Okay, and deep to be 20 mm deep, and go to the position. Then you can select in your drawing, and you pick one point and go to normal, and make a center line to mark some dimension. Make it for the construction, these lines only for reference only. So make a dimension from here to be 45 degree, and we need a PCD also, so make this circle also for construction, and this diameter to be 120. Okay, so this 120 PCD, the thread should be there. Okay, so go to the circular pattern and select the direction to be circular direction, and features to be, we need a pattern, so change to equal spacing, so it will take to the circle 360. Okay, it is equally distributed. Our hole is ready here, and we need one more top also tapping. So for that we have to make a axis, temporary axis. Then same way you go to the tab, and this time we select M12 and the deep to be 30 mm, and go to the position and select the position somewhere here. Okay, then go to this view. Okay, we'll go to the front view, or we'll make a line here, straight line in XY. Okay, then we go to the front view, so mid plane coincident. Okay, now it is matching here. Okay, right, see, now we need to shift that hole to the center. Okay, so remove the relation, so it is going freely now. Okay, then make a dimension here. Now we can fix it for 25 mm. Okay, remove the relation and you can put the dimension and fix it. Okay, now change our appearance to the solid, shaded and edges. Okay, then go to settings. If you want to see the thread, go to system and click in the search bar cosmic thread, then go to the shaded cosmic thread, then click OK. Your thread will be visible here directly. The hub also almost ready now. I will add the material, and you can check the weight also. If you are getting in gram, you can change to the kg. Go to the option and change to kg. We are getting 68 kg almost. So save this drawing, make it 4 hub HUB. Okay, then we'll see the assembly also. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed, subscribe our channel and keep supporting, and like the video. If you have any question, put it in the comment box.